Hi friends, welcome to Varun Taki channel, a place for better learning. Today we will discuss machine learning session 15. Logistic regression. Logistic regression is one of the most popular machine learning algorithms which comes under the supervised learning technique. It is used for predicting the categorical dependent variable using a given set of independent variables. Logistic regression predicts the output of a categorical dependent variable, therefore, the outcome must be a categorical or a discrete value. It can be either yes or no, 0 or 1, true or false, but instead of giving the exact value as 0 and 1, it gives the probabilistic values which lie between 0 and 1. Logistic regression is much similar to the linear regression except that how they are used. Linear regression is used for solving the regression problems, whereas logistic regression is used for solving the classification problems. In logistic regression, instead of fitting a regression line, we fit an S-shaped logistic function which predicts two maximum values. The curve from the logistic function indicates the likelihood of something such as whether the cells are cancerous or not, a mouse is obese or not, based on its weight, etc. Logistic regression is a significant machine learning algorithm because it has the ability to provide probabilities and classify new data using the continuous and discrete data sets. Logistic regression can be used to classify the observations using different types of data and can easily determine the most effective variables used for the classification. The below image. This is the S curve between 0 and 1. Logistic regression uses the concept of predictive modeling as regression. Therefore, it is called logistic regression, but it is used to classify samples. Therefore, it falls under the classification algorithm. Now, we will see the code explanation for the logistic regression in the Google Colab. First, we are importing the necessary libraries. Import numpy as np from sklearn.model underscore selection. Import train underscore test underscore split. This is used for training and testing splitting. After that, from sklearn.linear underscore model, import logistic regression. To use the logistic regression model, we are importing it. From sklearn.metrics, import accuracy underscore score and classification underscore report. This is to print the accuracy and classification report, which consists of many things like F1 score, recall, etc. After that, we are generating a sample data set. You can replace this with your actual data set. After that, np dot random seed of 42 we are writing, and x equal to np dot random dot rand of 100 comma 2, and y equal to x of colon comma 0 plus x of colon comma 1 greater than 1 bracket close dot as type of int. After that, we are going to split. After that, we are going to split training and testing sets in the next line. After that, we are initializing the logistic regression as model equal to logistic regression of. After that, we are writing model dot fit of x underscore train comma y underscore train. Means we are training the model on the training data. After that, we are writing y pred equal to model dot predict of x underscore test. Means we are making predictions on the test data. After that, accuracy equal to accuracy underscore score of y underscore test comma y underscore prediction. Means we are evaluating the model by printing the accuracy as well as classification report. Thank you. You can use the same code and process your own data set to get the classification results finally. Thank you.